Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Destiny and I would love it, like literally love it, if you would subscribe to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a little hair maintenance video. This is pretty much like my third Marley twist video, so I kind of want to show you guys how I maintain the hair, because one thing about me is I don't really like to keep protective styles in for over a month, just because like I don't like the whole oh wait, hold on, let me put my phone on silent. Yeah, I don't like to deal with the shedding at the end, so because I feel like I'm losing a lot of hair. I already have fine thin hair. It's just a thing with me. But I'm almost at a month and I'm trying to not take these freaking twists out because they're so pretty. I get so many compliments on them all the time that I don't want to take them out right now. So I'm just gonna pretty much be refreshing the front. Almost at 1 month. I think next week I would have had these installed for a month, but I'm at least trying to push until June. So that's my goal, to keep this protective style until June. But I also can't neglect my natural hair. So last week what I did was, because I did a lot of traveling, I went to the beach and stuff like that, I went ahead and I pretty much, like, I guess I want to say shampooed or washed my hair with this yeah, with some DIY black soap. So this is black soap mixed with some peppermint oil, and that's pretty much it. All I did was pretty much dilute the black soap in some warm purified bottled water and put it in this bottle, put some peppermint soap, and I also shower with this. So yeah, it's good for, you know, showering your hair, everything like that. And I wanted to use something a little bit more natural because I didn't want to like strip my hair of all the moisture, because I knew I wasn't gonna be able to really like get in there how I would like to because of the twist. So that's what I did last week. But this week I really want to focus on the front part of my hair. So my edges, you guys can see like my new growth is a little bit cray up here in the front. Like, yeah, it still has some like gel and stuff like that, but they were not like, my hair was not like this when I did it in the video. So that's how you guys could see the difference. Like I said, my edges are pretty much, I don't know if they're growing out or if the rubber bands are loosening up, but I know like right here I can like pull on my new growth. So I'm ready to kind of refresh it a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just take these down, and I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail. I am going to do the back section, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I would have to wash that part in the shower. So let's just go ahead and put my hair up so it's not in the way. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look without, like, you know, got that out the way. Now we need to pop these rubber bands. Like I told you guys, if you want a full in-depth video on how I, you know, take these out, then I will leave it down below in the description box as well as in the cards. At that build up. Look at that build up. Look at that build up. So I feel like that's how much new growth I got. So look at that build up, you guys. Look at that build up, y'all. That is freaking crazy. Alright, so my battery actually died while I was taking out my twist, but all I was doing was pretty much taking down the twist and adding oil, and this is how my twist look right now. So I feel like I got some growth, but I mean, you know, we'll see. But yeah, so this is how they look. And the amount of shedding that I got is not a lot. If y'all can see that, that's not that much. So now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. I was going to use this Cream of Nature strengthening shampoo, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my black soap shampoo, and then I'll probably use this later. Even though I don't really like this shampoo, I mean, I got to use it because I already bought it. So yeah, I might use that. I don't know. If I don't, I'll get a new shampoo or something. But today I'm just going to finish off my black soap since it's just like the front of my edges and stuff like that. But yeah, my hair looks good. It feels still pretty healthy. I just really wanted to make sure that I protect my edges and stuff. So we're going to go in the bathroom so I can shampoo this out. So I'm going to shampoo with my DIY black soap. And then I'm going to go in with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil of Morocco Intense Deep Conditioning Treatment. So this is, I don't know if it's a conditioner or if it's actually a like hair mask, but I use it as a hair mask. So I'm probably going to leave this in for like 30 minutes to an hour after I get done shampooing, and then I'm just going to go restyle the hair. So if you guys are wondering, I'm going to keep my hair twisted while I shampoo because I want to keep my triangle partings how they already are. I don't want to have to repart my hair because, you know, I don't got time. Alright, so my hair is, okay, so my hair is all shampooed and everything. The hair that I don't want to wash is still sectioned off. And yeah, pretty much this is how it is. So the twists aren't, like, they didn't stay that great. My hair doesn't stay like in twist very well, like if I'm touching it and stuff. But I still have my parts, so it'll be easy for me to just redo my hair really quickly. So yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in this deep conditioning treatment. Like I said, I'm using this Cream of Nature one, and while I'm like deep conditioning my hair, I'm gonna also make sure that I wash the Marley Hair. So I'll show you guys that in a second. And these twists just pretty much slip out, so I can just apply the treatment to my hair, and I just twist it back up. So make sure it's in there really good. It's really important because my hair is fine, my edges can break off really easy, so it's really important for me to make sure that I am treating my hair while it's in a protective style. I can't just like not do anything, because in the past I would do that and wonder why my hair is breaking or why it's still dry after I take out the style, or you know, whatever. So you don't really need I don't really need a lot for my edges, but I'm just heavy-handed, you guys, so don't mind me. I have the Marley twists. So these are the twists that were in my hair, and you can see they're like all mushed together. They're really dingy right now because I have a lot of product in it, like from me trying to gel my edges and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and wash that. So the first thing I do is I like to use like lukewarm or warm water, whatever. It doesn't really matter, but not too hot because this is like fibers or whatever. So I do that, and then I just toss the hair in there. So this is how I do it, you guys. You do not have to do it this way. It's however you want to do it. But yeah, so that's how I do that. So I just let the water fill up. And while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and add in this Cream of Nature strengthening shampoo. So I don't really like this for my natural hair because it doesn't make my hair feel clean, and for me the part of shampooing is to make my hair feel clean, especially because I don't really shampoo my hair too often. So I'm gonna add this in here. Not a lot, just a little bit, so that should be enough to like get this clean. This shampoo does smell really good, but I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it. And like, look, you can literally see everything coming out. So I pretty much just do this, and I let it just soak in here, and then I'll come back and try to, like, you know, use my hands more to like wash it. But this is pretty much all I do. So I'm just gonna let that sit in there. But you can see, like, with one wash everything's coming out. So I'll usually wash this like 2 times. So I'll wash it twice, and yeah, sometimes you gotta really get in there. Alright, so I'm back from washing out the deep conditioner out of my hair. I just, you know, took a shower, washed it out, and made sure I kept the hair twisted up. So this is how it's looking. My hair feels really clean and moisturized. I probably kept that deep conditioner on for like an hour. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just like redo the twist. So if you guys want a full like in-depth video on how I actually do this, what type of hair it is, all that type of stuff, it will be linked below and in the cards, like I said. But this is the hair. So remember before it looked all bunched up, so off camera I went and just kind of like separated it so it can get back full. The hair is now clean. You can see the color really vibrant, and it smells good. So I'm ready to just put that right back in my hair. If I can find my rubber bands. I don't know where those are at. Hold on. Rubber bands, do y'all see like how much better these look than before? And I'm just gonna go ahead and like kind of swoop my edges now. But yeah, I don't leave that much baby hair out, because when the rubber bands start pushing back, and I don't know if it's new growth or rubber bands or whatever, when that starts happening, then I gotta redo my hair, and yeah, I don't feel like it. So we're pretty much almost done, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my scalp really good, and that's pretty much it. Like, I like to make sure that my hair is moisturized and maintained, and that it still looks fresh, so I don't feel like, oh my god, I gotta keep this protective style in, like, you know what I mean? Like, so there, make sure my scalp is moisturized. Yeah, this is how it's looking. It's looking pretty good, and this will probably last me for an extra like 1 to 2 weeks if I want to take it there. I'm gonna try, because I really want to see my hair grow this year. And yeah, I'm probably the next video you guys will probably see is me coloring my hair with henna. So after I take this out, I'm gonna color my hair, because it's kind of faded, and I wanted to try a more natural approach to coloring my hair jet black. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want more natural hair videos or just hair videos in general, let me know. I really feel like trying some new, like a new brand of like virgin hair. So let me know any hair companies, because I really want some like body wave or like deep wave hair for the summer. So yep, thank you guys for watching this video, like I said. And so yeah, that's pretty much all I got to do. Hope this video was helpful, useful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.